matter if it's in the studio or live, sometimes your drum kit simply doesn't provide the perfect sound for every song. A small company from Germany has specialized in some simple products they call vintage drum sound tools that will help you in those situations. MiniMove. Whenever you're looking for a soft and warm drum sound, MiniMove offers tools to easily reach those sound ideals. The first product MiniMove offers is the Muffkopf. It slides right over any bass drum beater, and the felt surface provides you with a soft touch. Held in place by an adjustable strap, it can be attached and detached quickly. You can change your bass drum sound in between songs or even during a song. The big brother of the Muffkopf standard is the Muffkopf Deluxe. The cheap felt surface gives you even more low end and less attack. Let's hear them both in direct comparison. The smallest of their products is the MiniMove, a small but powerful tool that attaches to any rim and changes your snare or tom sound drastically. The felt surface muffles the drum head without applying any pressure. Let's hear this little gadget on the snare and toms. The newest addition to MiniMove's lineup is the Muff Stick. Just like the Muffkopf, it slides over any drumstick and changes its sound completely. While the wood of a regular drumstick gives you articulation and attack, the Muff Stick muffles any instrument it hits and creates a warm and soft sound on cymbals, toms and snare. While changing the sound, it also gives you a lot of inspiration while you play it. The ideas that come into your head change completely. Let's hear what all those three products sound like together. In many situations, it's necessary to buy a new drum kit or change the drum heads you use in order to get the sound you're looking for. With the tools of MiniMove, you can broaden the sound possibilities of your drum kit by a lot, within seconds. Do you like the sound of those gadgets and have you played them yourself? Make sure to let us know down in the comments.